Put your tongue on your upper jaw, and bow your head to let saliva secrete naturally into a disposable plastic cup. Remove the aluminum foil cover from the sample tube. Use a new dropper to transfer 0.5 milliliters of saliva from the plastic cup to the sample tube, which contains sample processing solution. Put the cap onto the sample tube. Shake evenly, and keep the saliva still in the tube for 3 minutes. This sample is ready to use as sample for test. Before testing, bring the sample and kit to room temperature. When ready to test, open the pouch and remove device. Place the test device on a clean, flat surface. Shake the tube again before performing the assay, and add 100 L, or 3 to 4 drops, from sample bottle into the center of each sample wells, as well, making sure that there are no air bubbles. Set up a timer. Read the result at 15 to 20 minutes.